With Google Docs, using your keyboard is not the only option for you to add text in your document. You can also just talk and Google is going to transcribe everything you're saying. Now the question is, how do you type with the voice in Google Docs? You can actually click on the tools, and down here on the tools you're going to see voice typing. When you activate this, you're going to see a big microphone this side, and this, when you click on it, you start speaking and everything that you're saying is going to be typed in the document. So when I click there, it's going to ask you to allow the software to have permission to your computer's microphone. And so when I allow, right now, whatever I say is going to be typed in the document, period. New line, period. Full stop. New line, new line. This is a new sentence. As you can see here, I'm not doing anything, but this is actually being typed in real life. Full stop. New line. New line. Just like that, you can add different paragraphs to your document. Just use speaking, and the software is going to record everything you are saying without making any mistakes. Of course, you are going to have to make some changes to it so that whatever is being typed here is accurate. So it's not perfect. Of course, you can go ahead and edit these changes here, and you can type like this. As you can see, we have all this paragraph here. When you are done typing with your voice, all you have to do is click on this button. And now you have this document that was typed with this amazing tool in Google Docs. As you can see, it's very fast to type with your voice without you actually having to sit down and type all this. This was going to take me a long time, but now I can just go ahead and make some changes here if I want. When you're done with this, you can close it, and if you want to get it back, you can come to tools, then you're going to see the voice typing option. This is simply how you can type with your voice. You just speaking whatever you want to speak, and Google Docs is going to transcribe everything for you, and you have different paragraphs. You have to learn a few things. For instance, here when we activate this language there, but when you come here, you're going to see this voice typing help. When you click there, it's going to open this section here where it's going to guide you and teach you the things you need to know about voice typing. And down here, you are going to see that you have even more options like formatting your document, the for formatting your document, you can just say apply heading one. So let's try this out. Okay, I'm going to click there. Then I'm going to say apply heading one. Apply heading one. You can see that now this is in bold. Apply subtitle. As you can see, it's able to do all this. It's listening to you. Yeah, sometimes it's going to misunderstand what you're saying, but yeah, it's capable of doing all these things here. These are just instruction of the things you can say, and sometimes it can misunderstand the things you're saying, but yeah, it's capable of doing all these things. I just wanted to show you this so you can just learn more about the things you can say here, and Google Docs is going to do them for you. This is simply how you can actually learn more about this functionality, these two here. Just click on the voice typing help, and you're going to see this opening this side, and you can learn more about it, how you can use your voice to type the documents like that. And when you're done here, you can actually come here and apply your own styles to it. And say maybe it's going to be normal text, make it bold, or do whatever you want with it. This is simply how you can type with your voice. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.